Welcome back, Wellness Junkies. Are you tired of trying every diet under the sun? Here's a surprising secret weapon you probably haven't heard of: rice water. So, what's the deal with rice water? Imagine taking something as simple as rice, soaking it in water, and then drinking that liquid gold. Sounds too easy, right? Well, this ancient remedy is packed with nutrients that can help boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full longer. And here's the kicker: rice water is loaded with vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants. These goodies help your body break down fat more effectively. Plus, it's super affordable and easy to make at home. All you need is a cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Soak the rice for about 30 minutes, give it a good stir, and voila, your rice water is ready. Drink it first thing in the morning for the best results. Not only will it help with weight loss, but it'll also give your skin a lovely glow. Talk about a win-win. So next time you're cooking rice, don't throw away that water. Give rice water a shot and watch those pounds melt away. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.